Damn right I got knives here with another knife review. Listening to some Ethiopian music. Hasabe Ethiopian Compilation on Mississippi Records. Pretty limited pressing here. Let's see. Alright, there's the full cover. There it is. I love this stuff. We'll put this record away. And Stiegl Radler, lemon. Let's do this. Unboxing. Let's get this out. That box. There it is. First production, 517 out of 1200. I'll check that when we open it. There it is. Put that guy away. Right, let's see. Benchmade, literature, seeing this kind of stuff. I'm not gonna go over that. All right, so we got the case, made in America, the little stamped American flag. Barely read that. There it is. All right, and then the Benchmade on this side. It's really soft, very soft. Let's go ahead and take this out. Take a look. It's actually kind of bigger than I thought, which is cool. Even though it's a small knife, I thought it was going to be even smaller. It looks pretty small here, but looks small on the camera, but actually it's pretty good size. Let's go ahead and give this a try. There's no jimping on the handle, but dang, you don't need it. Liner lock. That's nice. Overall length. Get this part so I can't tell us how long it is. 6.61. So like cutting edge 2.875, blade width 0.75, blade thickness 0.121, blade material CPM 20 CV. And there's that first production. .0517 out of 1200. There it is. First production. That's what I wanted. Satin finish. Handle length is 3.85. G10 material there. You can feel that shield in there because it's like carved out and the layer behind it is left in, I suppose is how they did that. Frame liner is stainless steel. The weight is 2.67 ounces. right-handed or left-handed carry. Right, let's compare it with some other knives. There's your bug out. Benchmade 940. Bam. And how about this? Look at this guy. Microtech. Maybe we need to see that a little closer here. UTX 85 there. The blade is very similar. Length. Handle is longer. And you want to see something a little bit smaller. See that guy there? Kershaw Auto. A little blue guy. California Legal. We'll show you another small one here. Just for fun, the Boker. Alright, so that's basically... Alright, yeah, okay, we'll just see how sharp that edge is right out the box. Up in places. Anyway, got that. Another flipper I really love. Oh my god. MALIBU. Protect MALIBU up against that one. Those look good together. Look at that. Cool look there. Really like both of these a lot. Carrying this guy this week. Really, I doubt I'll carry this one very often. It's more for my collection. It's just first production. And it doesn't have a pocket clip, and I don't like the way things sit at the bottom of my pocket, but maybe on those special occasions I will. But generally this is just going to be something I just keep to enjoy. But this guy, on the other hand, is definitely something I'm going to be carrying a lot. Not that I wouldn't carry this a lot, it's just not the knife you carry a lot, or I carry a lot. Alright, that's it for now. I'll check back in with kind of a review of how it goes. Owning this for a little while, both of these I'll be coming back to after a little while. Alright, damn right I got knives, signing off. Thank you. Bye.